Our world is continuously transforming towards innovation. In sync with this global progress, Bangladesh is reaching an unprecedented growth trajectory in various sectors. And the textile and garments industry is one of them. Today, Bangladesh is the world's second largest garment exporter, which has been fueling its economic advancement. Mohammed Helal Mia, founder and chairman of Amanat Shah Group, is a remarkable contributor to Bangladesh's textile industry. Over the years, we've been consistently transforming our clothing industry into a global brand. Amanat Shah Fabrics Limited is affiliated with major world-class brands and fashion houses to produce the finest quality fabric. Being mindful of environmental sustainability, we've designed an eco-friendly production approach. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is continuously producing quality and sustainable fabrics. By following rigorous quality standards, our company has become a reliable name for international brands. It's the trust and confidence of our customers. That's increased our production capacities and capabilities to greater heights and standards. Our specialized production units are well integrated to produce woven and knit products. The quality fabrics produced by our R&D facility have made us a part of many households and industrial setups. From spinning, weaving, and dyeing, to printing and finishing, we have a wide-ranging niche of fabric. Designed and manufactured with the latest trending technology, our woven fabric and garments are spread across America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. Following the quality product certifications, we make our fabrics cleaner and greener. We'll continue to attain a higher quality standard of producing quality fabrics with sustainable raw materials. Our team of experts fosters a culture of innovation, as research and development are at the heart of our overall operations. The R&D department focuses on innovation, trend setting, cost saving, manpower productivity, water reuse and recycling, cogeneration, and renewable electricity. Our team comprises the best and brightest people in the business that works with a sense of responsibility to the environment and customer needs to create a better world for the future generation. We envision enriching lives by prioritizing health and safety. Driven by sustainable growth and entrepreneurial spirit, our progress is consistent as we utilize every opportunity and challenge. Bangladesh is marching toward prosperity, and we're determined to streamline the path of the textile industry. By being the global contributor of the Made in Bangladesh tag around the world, we weave stories that bind environmental sustainability, comfortable fabric, and innovation. We are Amanat Shah Fabrics Limited, synonymous to excellence.